everyone and welcome back to my channel. So it's me Sana and hi Sammy. She's my sister and today we are going to go to Laimu imut yan inshallah. Adum krak ben lit pam hotpot. Yes. We're gonna go. Okay, so we're gonna be going to Lai Krak for having hotpot with our cousins. And what to say? So, first of all, we're gonna be going to Rinja to pick our cousins, and then from there, straight we're gonna be heading to Ladum Kra because our Maidu is waiting there for us, and 2 hours just for her. You know, girls consent. Guys, my recording got disconnected midway, and so see you when we reach Rinja. Guys, here we are with my cousins. Hi guys. Hi Carrie. So we changed our plans. Instead of going to eat hotpot, we're going to Burger King. That and terima guys bertasun dia sampai siap ni. Camera shy. We're here at Burger King. Guys, ini Japoy. Yay. Hehe. This is Burger King. Hello. Guys, you can see it's so empty today. Kali. Okay. So until we're waiting for the Burger King app to get downloaded, we're waiting here and sit outside. Crazy family, nakada watching now the camera kenapit pa hindi na panjang itu ke bukan tu mungkin ada minta tak ikut dia bantu dengan mungkin kembang set mengibah head pelan kembali dekat lagi orang asal kita kasih wow, gitu ya. 100. Ngalali. Oh wow. Jadran riang hilang. Wow, so nice. Punya outfit check Joffrey. I'm gonna buy this for you. Oh my god. Next birthday. I'm gonna buy that month. No thanks. Jadi kita kibaram.
What the hell?
This is to beat you.
You beat me with that.
Oh, I'll buy you this.
Oh, what the hell?
I don't know. Oh, it's light.
It's right.
I don't. Oh, kan ni dalam kawai ang
Tadi kata kita dalam spray. Okay. It's really nice.
Oh, what is this? So cute. What is this?
So shy.
So cute.
Oh my god, this is so cute.
This is the moment I feel I'm very
I need to buy
poor.
that hair for you.
For real?
This is soft.
Wow.
I look so cool.
Honey, this looks like me. So cute.
Guys, kami reviews. Oh, look at these.
Wow, this is so cute.
What the?
It's cute. Boy's favorite. Boy's favorite. Munchua ang ajak dia dalam competition. Kini dia kapok. Oh my goodness me, Jing squinking you. They're so cute. Zari! I like this hair.
Yeah, I think I need to buy that.
I like this one.
Wow.
So cool, bro. Dancers, halal.
Yes, I know. These type of
This one? This one lah. This one?
This one. This one.
Are English? Strawberry? Oh, Mr. Carrot. I need Mr. Potato.
Oh my god.
Hey, the sunflower is smiling. No, I like Mr. Potato.
Mr. Potato.
Oh, the watcher. Oh my god. So beautiful. Wow. La fufu. Oh, this is so cute. How much are these? 500. We also got some eatables. Wow, these are corns. We also have Dubai chocolates.
So cool. Online.
Thank you.
Yeah, this one is nice.
We got to taste. It tastes like those, you know, those 1 rupee chocolate where we get the black and white ball. Kind of tastes like that.
It tastes
Oh, go Joey. Oh, so many people. I like this panda. Price, this is 900. Okay. I like this one. It's 700. But boys love. Oh my goodness me, guys, so pretty.
It's 550.
550. 550. Oh, I have this. I have this one.
No,
Mine is Shin-chan.
Oh yeah, I got it, guys. Lucky draw. I was thinking that.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
So can you tell me the prices of your outfit?
This is 10 rupees. I mean, it's, I don't know, like forgot because like my mom bought it.
Okay.
And this jeans is like 1,500 from I guess Savi.
Okay.
I am not for sale. And my shoes is 3,850 I guess.
Alright.
And these are like I don't know. It's a combo from Savannah. I forgot the price.
Guys, and this is me, person Samya. I am not for sale. These are 500, guys. It's for sale.
Oh my god, these
I'm
are
selling
so nice.
these.
Are oh my god.
Wow, Hawaii.
Hello Kitty. Hello